हेलो फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका मेरे चैनल टेक निंजा बी टेक्निकल में। आज रैशन के एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन करेंगे जो एकेटीयू के लास्ट ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर में पूछा गया था। डेटा कंप्रेशन इज डैश इन द नंबर ऑफ बिट्स नीडेड टू रिप्रेजेंट रिडक्शन। ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट आंसर। Data compression schemes can be divided into two categories. Data compression is an example of text data compression is an example of lossless data compression. Audio video compression is an example of both lossless as well as lossy. The ratio of number of bits required to represent data before compression to the number of bits required to represent after compression is compression ratio. Option number B. A description of model and description of how data after differ from the model are encoded is called coding. The average number of bits required to represent single sample is known as bitrate. Difference between original and reconstruction data is called distortion. Compression of analog signal is referred to as analog coding. The difference between data and model is called residual. The first order entropy following sequence is entropy formula is H equal to summation minus summation pi log base 2 pi pi log base 2 pi log base 2 pi. एंड आप इसका फॉर्मूला यूज करके एंट्रोपी निकाल सकते हैं. प्रोबेबिलिटी मॉडल ऑल्सो नोन एज विद अनदर नेम ignorance model. A sky code use the same number of bits to represent each symbol. Such code is called fixed length code. Test the following codes are uniquely decodable. Yes, A option is correct. Uniquely decodable code. 15. A code in which no code word is prefixed to another code is called prefix code. Option number D. The difference between entropy and average length is called redundancy. In Huffman tree, NYT stand for not yet transmitted. Not yet transmitted. Option number C. In Golem code, the unary code for positive integer n is n1s followed by 0. Golem code of unary 5 is 5 times 1 and last 0. Rice code, the CCSDS stand for Consultative Committee on Space Data Standard. C. In CCSDS algorithm, remove correlation between input and generated sequence of non-negative integer is called parity checker. The binary sequence coder generate dash to represent integer sequence bit stream. Which codes are code word have equal length? Tunstall code have equal length. The n-bit Tunstall code of source number of code word is 2n plus 1. Question number 25. Image consists of 256 row, 256 pixels. So uncompressed bit uses we can find by using formula 256 into 256 divided by 8 into 1024. At what rate audio signals for each stereo channel is sampled? 4.44.1 kilohertz. Rise code, the ROS is used when last 5 or more blocks in segment are 0. The value of redundancy in Huffman code when the probabilities are negative power of 2. Who was the developer of Rise code? Robert F. Rice. Remember this name. Which is the most popular method for generating variable length? Huffman coding. Which of the following is not application of arithmetic coding? JBIG. Static dictionary technique that is less specific to single application is diagram coding. In LZ77, a buffer contain portion of recently encoded sequence is called search buffer. In LZ77, buffer that contain next portion of sequence to be encoded is called look ahead buffer. Question number 35. Which of the following is LZW compression algorithm? Unix compress is LZW application. GIF is graphical interchange format. Graphics interchange format. Option number A. Which code scheme used the history of sequence to determine its encoding? Arithmetic coding. Which one of the following is known correct context based algorithm? Context based prediction with partial match. CALIC stand for context adaptive lossy image compression. Option number A. Question number 40. Which encoding scheme takes advantage of long run of identical symbol? Move to front coding.